Is hosting actually that good in 2026? Let's find out in 60 seconds. First, pricing. Hostinger remains one of the most affordable quality hosts with low introductory rates. Keep an eye on renewal rates. They can jump, but overall the value for money is strong. Performance in 2026 is solid. Fast page loads with light speed and optimized caching by default. Uptime is reliable. Reported averages sit near 99.99% for most plans. The dashboard is clean and beginner-friendly, with one-click installs and a tidy site builder. Support is generally fast and helpful via chat, plus clear tutorials and AI-assisted help. Compared to competitors, Hostinger is faster than basic shared hosts and cheaper than managed WordPress services. Migration is free on some plans and straightforward, though premium features sometimes require an upgrade. Security includes free SSL, basic DDoS protection, and daily backups on higher tiers for extra safety. Quick recap: price-friendly, solid speed, great uptime, easy dashboard, and responsive support overall. Final verdict: Hostinger is a smart, affordable choice for most sites in 2026. Recommended with minor caveats.